Make a great choice today with the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, power lift gate, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.